Today, we are going to start our art portfolios. I briefly talked about it last time. Well, the first thing we need to do is take our paper bag. Our portfolios will be made from a brown paper bag, but we're going to make them special today. So that takes cutting and stapling. Now, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade will be cutting and stapling and assembling 2 bags so that we have bags ready for kindergarten, 1st grade, and 2nd grade. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our bag. Place the handles towards you, and we're going to find the side. We're going to cut down this middle seam of one side. Until we get to the bottom. Here's the bottom. We do not want to cut and keep going. When we get to the bottom, we're going to stop. Now we're going to cut around the bottom rectangle. So we'll be cutting 4 sides. So open this up to where we were. Start cutting around the bottom. And I am sure that you can do a better job than Mrs. Altizer. So we're cutting the bottom rectangle out. I'm going to the outside of the rectangle to cut. And I'm getting off a little bit, but that's okay because we're going to be stapling it, and we will just make sure we are not stapling the air. We're stapling 2 pieces together. So we need to unfold this because one time I cut it wrong. This is unfolded. You're taking your time. Please take your time. And then you should be successful. This is the hardest part of our portfolio, is cutting this bottom piece out. So we're cutting the bottom rectangle out. We should only have the bottom cut out when we're finished. Then I'm going to finish the side I started on. So this is what you have that we do not need. This is the bottom part. So you should have cut out 4 sides, making a rectangle. Now we do not need that. So we are going to get rid of that. And here is our bag we started with. Now we're going to unfold our bag. Be careful with your neighbors, it's getting big. And we're going to fold it inside out. So you're going to make this sign and this sign kiss each other. We're going to fold it inside out and line it up all nice and neat. And this is when you start stapling it. So, I'm going to make sure, if you have one side that's shorter, I would like to look at that side so that you can make sure you're stapling both pieces. See, this is a little bit short. So I'm going to go in, make sure it's lined up. I'm going to go in, and I'm going to staple about finger width in. About maybe every 3